Hi, welcome to 2024 Term 4 Class 8 Practicing Video number 9. Now this week we have a scales, C major scales, hand staccato, similar motion and also country motion to practice. We're going to use 3 different ways. So first we're going to use strong and powerful fingers. As high as possible, strike the key with curved fingers. Hold the wrist very still. That's the key thing. We don't want to shift or shaking our wrist up and down. So steady wrist and strong fingers. Country motions. Now each different technique we do 4 times. You repeat 4 times at home. Now the second one is slow motion and soft fingers. Keep our fingertips very tight and squeeze the fingertips, but go slow. When you say slow motion, it's the speed that we press the key down. So very squeezy fingers, but slow motion. Country motions. We're still gonna keep one finger down only. Lift the other fingers up. The last one that we practice is the 2-note slur. Very soft on the second note. Practice both similar motions and country motions, each one 4 times. Homework. In the ocean deep, we try to play the left hands a little bit louder with squeeze fingertips, but create very smooth and legato sound. Okay, now this piece you can divide them into a phrase. So each phrase repeat 5 to 10 times. Use very slow motion and squeezy fingertips. Now I'm going to talk a little bit more about the new homework on the piano book, page 17, shooting the rapids. Now this piece we're going to working on 3 different fingers as the technique as we do the scales. So first we're going to use the strong and powerful fingers. And I want to remind all the parents, make sure the students using a slow speed for this week. do need to repeat the first two lines and finishing on the second line because of the D.C.O finale. That means we're gonna start from beginning and repeat until the finale. First one is the strong and powerful finger. Then we're gonna use our squeeze slow motions. Listen to the sound that you create. We want to keep it very soft, smooth, and no bumps. And so on. The last one, we're going to try 2-note slur. So every 2 notes, we lift our hands up. And so on. Once we done this, next week we can increasing the speed, and also we can swap our hands. So left hand and right hand doing opposite way. So both hands get balanced up. Right, so 3 pieces for this week. Make sure you pay lots of attention when you do the finger technique. Everyone has a little bit of problem need to fix. For example, someone still have a flat fingers, or the wrist is too high. Some wrist is shaking too much. So make sure you know what you need to fix and concentrating when you do the finger practice. Alright, that's all for this week. Looking forward to see you next week. Bye for now.